I just hit stream.
Right. And now you.
And if you wait about a minute or so, you're going to see people start piling in.
Oh, cool. Because they know what's going on.
So it gets tweeted instantly, but they also get a notification instantly. So,
oh, sweet. Look at all that.
Yeah.
Oh, crazy.
They're all popping in.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah. So I'm going to introduce you.
Okay, that's fair. That's fine.
Yeah.
That's fine. We'll
So this is Rob Marshall. This is. Go ahead, introduce yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Rob. I'm the Chief Pilot, Director of Operations, all of production here at New York On Air, and also Fly Nyan.
Cool.
We're going out. We're going to have some fun.
Yeah.
Take these young laddies up over the city.
These are our guests.
Let everybody see her pink feet.
Yeah.
They got to see the pink feet.
She's gonna dangle those out. No.
The pink feet
over the river.
The pink feet will be looking from the river, overlooking Manhattan and the Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
So they'll be.
Can't wait. Yeah.
And this is our ride right here.
Well, our ride just went outside.
Oh, it just went outside.
It's similar.
Okay.
Our ride's already out.
Can I go out there and
go ahead, and I'm gonna just check in one more time.
Okay.
I'm gonna come out and we're gonna show you how to.
Cool. Hey guys, I'm wearing a leash right now around my neck because I gotta wear the phone around my neck whenever we hang out of helicopters because we don't want stuff dropping out. But we're walking out to the helicopter right now. I gotta make sure I have my charger cable because batteries die really quick. Got my cable. And helicopters are right over here. So we're gonna be going up in probably about, I never get the timing right because they always tell us that, you know, we're taking off at 4, but it usually goes a little later. But that's because we know they take a lot of safety protocols, which is always good. So our helicopter's over here. And I'll just be waiting for those guys to help take me off. If you have any, questions, just a little bit of warning is that during takeoff it seems to lose signal. So sometimes I have to restart the stream, or I'll try to ride with it. It all depends. So the more you guys tweet and chat and communicate to me how the stream looks, the more I can manage it. So typically it loses a signal when we take off, but then once we're in the air it goes smooth, but then it gets a little spotty. We're gonna go through just over the Statue of Liberty and then up the East River over the Brooklyn Manhattan Bridge, and then we're gonna cross over through Central Park, and then we're gonna zigzag over Manhattan on our way downtown. And the flight's usually about 30 minutes. And these guys are getting fueled up. And this is the baby right here that we're gonna go up in. So we're gonna actually have one door open and one door closed. The other window actually has a really good window. Really good window that allows it to slide open. And I'll be in the front seat. But we're just waiting for the rest of these guys to come on over. Does anybody have any questions? Stream looking good. Out here on the tarmac, the signal seems to get a little weak, so if it gets a little choppy, let me know. But the more communication you guys tell me about how the stream looks, the better helps me. Riding a chopper just never gets old. Anytime these guys call me to say, hey, we have an open spot, I jump on it, and they help me out, and then I try to do innovative things visually whenever we go up. And lately it's been meerkatting. Not taking lessons. What Fly Nyan does, and you follow him on Twitter at FlyNYON, They have packages where you can purchase what are called Insta flights, and you can literally have you can do what we're doing today and fly over Manhattan, and you can harness yourself up and hang out the door and Instagram your flight. So yeah, check out their Twitter account. There should be a website link in the bio, and that'll tell you how you can take your own Insta flight. So yeah, you guys do have the ability to do this. Just check out their website. And here comes our crew now. So we should be going up soon. I think these guys aren't taking off, they're actually wrapping up. Hey Rob, what do the Insta flights cost? Can I say that?
Sure, I don't even know the answer to it.
Okay. It should be on the website, I think. But I'm not sure what they cost.
Let me find out.
It's all on the
It's all on there, right? And is that how you guys did it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all on the site.
Cool.
You ready, John?
Yeah. I was gonna get one whenever you're strapped in.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go ahead and get you in.
Yeah, we usually take it when we land.
All right. Okay.
We'll get a group photo and stuff.
Perfect.
Now, the question I have for you is, go ahead and sit
So
down.
we're gonna harness up.
Do you want to keep the door open? Or just leave it open so you never have to deal with it?
Yep.
Very good. I like
I
that.
don't want to
like
touch
that
that
answer.
door.
I like that answer. I like that answer.
There you go. So we're gonna take off with the door open, which is
The
awesome.
door will be open as we take off. It's nice and warm outside, so I don't have any issues. If it's cold.
Yeah, stream looks good for now. It's definitely gonna get choppy and it's definitely gonna disconnect at some point. I'll try to reconnect. Towards the end of the flight, I try to kind of stop streaming just so I can get some pictures in.
Like that.
So once we get over Manhattan and Central Park, I'll get you some overhead views of Manhattan, and usually that's kind of where I lose signal, so that's when I'll stop streaming. But we're gonna go. We're in Kearny, New Jersey right now. We're gonna fly.
Now, you're not going to lean out anyway.
We're gonna fly east over the Statue of Liberty and head up the East River. It's too bad Bob didn't know I was gonna be streaming this. He would have tuned in to watch you guys fly.
How's that? Just lean forward a little bit.
Yes, Mohammed, I'm aware of what happened today. These guys take a lot of safety precautions and are very safe and have a very good record of flying, so I'm not too concerned about crashing.
15,000 hours flying as well.
Yeah, exactly. So as you can see, she's very well harnessed in there.
So
Two
Rob tells
different
me.
points.
Okay, check that out now. See how that feels.
Oh yeah.
That feels good, doesn't it?
That's much better.
Excellent.
Yeah. I'm
See,
not
that
going
way,
anywhere.
that's your main tether,
Okay.
and it just gives it good tension.
Okay. Sounds great.
John,
Yep.
Let's do
here, my
this.
friend. Okay, one thing we'll do, it's my fault for not briefing you ahead of time. We don't ever want to walk around the tail boom.
Okay.
So we don't know if it's spinning or running or not. So always keep it in mind. You always want to walk around the front.
Front. Yeah.
Just because you didn't do it the first time, it's my fault for not letting you know.
No problem, guys. It always makes for an entertaining stream to watch us fly. We've done it twice already. So it's always fun to watch. Again, I apologize ahead for the choppy signal, because it's going to happen, I promise. But that's not Meerkat's problem. That's my AT&T service. That's the issue. I think the highest we go at any point is like 2,000 feet, I think.
We won't even be that high.
We won't even be that high. Okay.
15, 16, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to shut the door.
Okay.
And there you go. Just roll up. And
Oh, hey, Scott Kleinberg. Tell everyone I say hello in the newsroom.
Make sure that your camera is running.
Yeah.
That's all I ask.
Yeah.
So that way I don't have to worry about it. You feel free if you want to put the camera outside the window. It's not coming off. I'm not worried about that.
Our window's
I'll have
great.
Nick Quintano double check the lens, make sure that everything's good. It's not going anywhere.
So here's what the window looks like.
Hi, honey. Bye.
Let me see what your
Just
setup.
make sure that his
Yeah.
camera
it's all.
is everything's
I just
one
put it on the
nice
program
one
just to
solid.
get
You're on P.
So move it.
Let's get you. Yeah, there you go. That's what you want to be on, is the green.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Oh yeah.
The door is locked in place.
I know, Dwayne. I've been very lucky that these guys have let me fly as much as they have been lately.
And again, I don't care what you do. You can put that phone on with the water. Does not matter to me one iota. Because you know what?
For any of my NBC friends, these are friends of Bob Sullivan,
It's not going on.
There's no bones
It's
Who
not
is a-
going on somebody's head.
former colleague.
Okay, you'll be on
All right, so now I get to load in.
I may from time to time, depending on the wind noise, I may turn you off if I'm talking to LaGuardia or something like that. But don't worry. Do your thing.
I'll point the camera away for a second, guys, just so I can load in.
Just have some fun, enjoy yourself, and let's see the pink shoes. Did Kim have fun the other night?
Say it again.
Did Kim have fun the other day?
Oh, she had a blast.
Great. And you know, you don't have to put the seatbelt harness on. You don't have to put the shoulder.
Oh, no? Okay. I'm lucky. The waist is the hard part, though.
You need a little bit more? Hold on.
Well, I don't know where the other end is.
Oh yeah. You can fly by a McDonald's. I can place an order.
There you go.
Yep.
See? I absolutely love that window.
How does
We
this,
can't do it on this side yet. On the single engines, you can't. They have both sliding doors. You can do it. But they made a boo-boo at the manufacturer when they did what's called an STC, a supplemental type certificate. And they didn't include the twin star for both doors. They only included it for one door. So in 8 months to a year, they'll have it revised, and then I'll have the window on the other side. So basically, in time for next winter, the winter time, opening the doors.
Oh.
How does this work?
Now, just slip it in.
jeez.
Just slide it in. You need some more room, or are you good?
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right, I'm good.
Now, then just push down on that latch.
Yeah, I
That
did.
way it's locked.
I did.
It's so weird that that's just close. It's so weird that it's just not going to close anymore.
See this little lock right here?
Yep.
It's not going anywhere.
All right. Neither am I.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Awesome.
All right,
It
guys.
sets up above for you.
Oh, we definitely get signal. It worked last time, so just hang in there. Follow my Twitter feed and follow @FlyNion. If I disconnect, I'll retweet the stream. I'm gonna get my camera ready.
Gotta take out my earrings.
And apparently, whenever I'm using these headsets, I turn into a radio voice. So
You have a sexy radio voice?
no, it's not a sexy. It's a really weird voice. I cut off all news and then start talking as if I'm just a complete useless.
Would it be? Never mind.
So, John, you were asking about METARs.
Yeah.
So look here on ForeFlight.
About METARs?
METAR gives you all the wind, weather, everything.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you can just do it like based on location or.
So what I'm going to do is I'm in maps right now. As soon as it's just booting up. I'm at the airport.
All right.
So now let's call it. I'm looking at Santa Monica right now. So Santa Monica, this is what it would be up here in the green.
Cleaning my lenses.
That would be the actual METAR. But if you read down below, it says winds 210 at 12, visibility 10, sky clear,
I'm shooting
21
with-
for the temperature, dew points 12, altimeter
ID Mark
306.
II.
So I have to go through all this stuff that's garbage. It's all
in.
spelled out in English.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's great. So much different.
cool. You can just use that iPad like as a
Well,
mini
this,
reference as
and
well.
you know what? This is my flight director. So as far as technology, this is what I use.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's awesome. It's got everything in there I want. Here we are right there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
So
Wait.
these kids with all this new technology can have everything they want, but this is just, and I'll tell you something else that's even better.
What?
Okay, this is synthetic view.
Yeah.
So now when we get over Manhattan, you're going to see all the buildings
Oh, that's really cool.
in these. So this is all I need, and I can swap back and forth.
I can't show that, right? Or no?
Oh, I don't care.
That I can show? All right, hold on.
I'll just go through it.
You can see what he's talking about here.
So this is called synthetic view on a website called ForeFlight, or an app called ForeFlight,
Okay.
that we use all the time. It's got my direction, it's got altitude, it's got knots, and then it shows all the obstacles in your flight path.
That's
And
great.
it's showing all this stuff right here, right now. Now I can go back and actually show the map as well at the same time.
It might be hard to see, guys, because of the glare. But
So now it's side by side of my of the actual sectional chart.
Yeah.
And I can go right to the sectional chart, and now I've got the whole sectional, and it shows us right there in the middle.
that's really cool.
You can see it. Beep, beep.
Yeah. Cool.
So yeah, so I use this is my wonderful technology. And it's great because it costs me $25 a month for synthetic view, where these other guys are spending 10, 12 grand on a same system.
Wow.
By Garmin.
Yikes.
Yeah.
Yikes, yikes, yikes. I think I'm gonna change lenses now. All right. I'm getting ready to go. What's my favorite part of my New York City flyover? The whole thing. There is not one part that I don't like. You guys good?
Oh yeah.
All right. Here we go. Remember guys, let me know if it loses signal. I'll try my best to either restart the stream, but just be patient.
You good? You look like you're having fun. This will just light up when we get over the city.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna check it out. Alright guys, here we go. You can see that she's hanging out of the, we're gonna take off with the door open. And she'll be shooting out the door. Flight usually lasts about 30 minutes.